Hey guys, it is the 11th of December, and we should try one of the locks from Rune that we got yesterday. The Tooltech huge lock here. Let's see if we can get that open. Okay. And a tension wrench. And my shuttle. Actually, how many pins is in here? Feels like 6 pins. It is. Okay. Maybe a little bit deeper pick. There it is. There we go, open on 5. Yeah. Not because it was tough, but damn, it's a big one. Now, I'm not sure if it will open again, and I want the shackle to stay open so we don't have a key. So I'm gonna leave it open, and we will go and try some raking and rocking and so on. L rake, S rake, that thing, and worm rake. And then the one that always hides, the half diamond. Let's see. Nope. Let's. Ouch. My elbow just right in the pile of tensioners. Sorry about the bad view. This table starts to become a little bit small. Nope. Let's try holding it this way then, and try this thing. No. Worm rig. I think that was the tensioner popping back into place. Nope. And if that none of those works, I don't think the S-rig will either. No. Okay. Let's see. Pick gun. It sounded like only 2 or 3 pins were set, so I'd say no. And that's why I'm happy that I let this shackle stay open. Alright, let's find a spot on the tree here. I think right there in the middle, that's probably where the most space is. There's still a bit down to... Oh, I have forgotten everything about the light. Woohoo! That was 11 locks. So far, so good. 13 more to go for the series this year. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.